Once the glazing is in place, fit the rafter cap over the rafter and repeat this for every glazing section. Now seal the top of the rafter caps. Remember, when sealing around the roof, only SMX sealant can be used for glass, whereas neutral silicone could be used on polycarbonate. In this example, before the glazing is fully finished, you'll need to add the ridge cap so you can safely access it. Start by adding the foam bung. Then seal with a line of silicone. Slide the ridge top cap into place and secure down using a nylon hammer. Now, fit the remaining glass sections. Once the roof glazing is finished, add the glazing end stops to all the ends of the rafters and secure into place.